That is your hollowback. So for the hollowback, so like we said before, any freezes you're in a triangle, but this time it's the opposite of your triangle. So usually you will do a triangle, 1, 2, 3. Your head is there because you will do a freeze like that. But this time it's head, arm, arm. So you're flipping from where the arms are here to the back because that will force you into a leaning back like a banana. So bringing your heel and your feet close to the floor from the opposite side. So we'll start first with your head freeze. 1, 2, head down. So first the first triangle. Once you're in your first triangle, you're bringing the arms to number 2, so further away from your head. So legs open for more balance. Bring the arm back. See, this is your opposite triangle. From the opposite triangle, bend the leg back. You can do whatever you like with it. You can do a side bend, a cross bend, an open bend. But this is the base of a hollowback. 3, 2, and 1. And then you can come back to your front freeze.